Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-trent. Today it's the one color challenge. We're using Holbein Prussian Blue for our color, Princeton number 8 long round brush. One brush, one color challenge. This is a little quickie, fast, loose watercolor tutorial. If you have any questions again, please leave in the comment section. I'll be going over like the painting of it and some information about an upcoming new Patreon download / painting. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, I'm going to go over my supplies. I have a piece of Arches 100% cotton paper, paper towel. Over here, I have some water pots up here. My Princeton long round brush, it's just going to use this one brush. And the lonely paint I'm going to use is the Prussian Blue by Holbein. One color challenge. So, what are we going to do in this one color challenge? I think I'll just do a floral, make it easier. I'm going to show you how we can do it super watered down and not. This is just the Prussian Blue. It's very watered down. I always tap it in my paper towel. And I'm just going to do some simple loose flowers. I'll do a rose. See, I'm just moving the paintbrush like so, pushing it around. And I'll do another one over here. I added some of the darker tone of it. Just pushing that paintbrush around, see? Push it down, pull it around. I use the tip, I use the belly. So you can add some darker tones in here. The leaf. And this is just a quickie study of doing a one color. You guys should join the Patreon because I am going to be putting up a sketch and a new tutorial of a one color challenge. That's going to be great. If you can't do Patreon, I totally understand, but for those who want to do Patreon, I'm going to be adding a lot of cool things over there. So go check it out. It's not going to be up today. It will be up probably Thursday or Friday this week. So here I'm just adding more color. I think I'll just use a tip and I'll make like a daisy. Just with that, see the dark? Just the tip of the brush, and then I'll color in the center, and I'll do another one over here. Yep. So with the Patreon, for the $3 level, you get to download the worksheet sketch and see some ad-free videos. With the $6 level, you get the exclusive videos, and with the $12 tier, you get all of that plus an exclusive PDF that you can download for yourself for personal use that I'll be putting out once a month, and some extra added things I'll be adding soon. So basically I never do any PDF downloads. Even on my Etsy I have one or two maybe, but never really do them. And so it's a nice chance to get that, and you can print it out, frame it, give it to somebody as a gift. All right, so I did the daisies. I'll add some other stems. I'm putting in the flowers. Well, leaves. And then another stem. This is the one color challenge. I'm really into these challenges. They're fun. And this one color, especially one color challenges, are fantastic for really just paying attention to tonality and composition. I'll do another branch here. Just doing some loose leaves off of that. Let's get another flower in here. Just a basic loose, almost like a daisy. And I could do one over here, kind of like an anemone. So just do this bulbous round Another one, push that paintbrush around. I'm going on top of that rose because it's light. I do like a half moon here, and then I'll add in the darker tone after that's dried in the center. Put in the stem and the leaf. I'm just going to keep making more little flowers. You could just take the brush and move it around like this. You see, I'm just pushing it around in circular motion, making the little daisies up in here. Getting the darker part. Almost making like berries up there. Not too serious. I like the looser flowers. They're more fun. I'm going to go back into this rose and add some more deeper tones. Just on top of it. See, just on like one side. And I'll add in another leaf over in here. And here. I'm building this up. This is the one color challenge. We'll add another simple 5-petal flower here. A little deeper in tone. Go right on top of that leaf if you want. Again, add the stem. We'll add the stems from the roses too. And from the other elements, just crisscross some more stems. Fairly simple. I mean, this is not that difficult. This brush is great. You push down and pull back in for leaves. I like the one color challenges. I'm putting the veins into the leaves here with just the tip of my brush. Again, I'm going to whack in and add some more tone to this rose up in here too. And I'll put in some more simple petal daisy type flowers up here. Add some more stems in here. It's a very bright color, blue. So I can go back in here and add that darker tone center here. As you can see, these are very loose. This is not a realistic. So I fill in that. I make the little lines here. Put the little dots on there, and you can see that it's an anemone. And I'll pull down some of this color here in the stem. Put the veins in. It's a quickie challenge. Put some more simple flowers out here and leaves out here with flowers. Again, add a darker tone center here. Just doing the simple. And you could add little leaves. Wash that color down. Light colored leaves. Again, add another stem here to balance out that one. This is a quickie. Just throwing in little blobs. See? Fairly simple. And then again, go back into the rose and I'll add some more deep tones. Just with a tip, just pushing that paint around. Really kind of on one side. And add some veins to those leaves. And I'll add some stems and some little blobby flowers up here. That's what I call them, blobby flowers. Because they don't really look like anything serious. The one color challenge is the best. It just teaches you more about composition, tone. You know, it's like when you're drawing pencil and you have just a pencil and you have to get those dark tones in there. So I'm going to go in here. I might just keep the center white and just add the dark tones on the outside and the inside of these daisy. See? You play off the white, you play off the dark. The dark part would be right out of the tube paint. See, I'm just adding the little dots in here, right out of the tube. Get this wet a little again. Just add a couple more of those. And a couple of little small flowers down here. Maybe another leaf here. And one more stem with the kind of like a tulipy kind of flower here. Just trying to fill it out. And put some leaves in here. Really simple. How long did that take? I mean, probably literally under 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So there you go, the 1 color challenge. Like I said, if you're a Patreon member, head on over there Thursday, and I'll be posting a sketch to go along with the tutorial. If you're a member, you'll get that also on my YouTube. And don't forget that I will be dismantling the membership on YouTube and just moving everything over to Patreon at the end of July. You don't have to do a thing. If you don't cancel it, I'm going to cancel it so you won't get charged, and just move it over there. I will have finished the last tutorials here by the end of June. It's just a better platform, so you get more additives that you can't get on YouTube. I can't give you PDFs or anything cool like that. Here, there's so many more things I can give to you on Patreon. And there it is. Sorry for all of my mumbling. 1 brush, 1 color, voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this quickie. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Take care. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon.